For a long time, the electric safety has become the crucial condition and essential premise for the mining project. The dust and gas concentration may exceed standard because of the special working environment and may increase the risk of fire and explosion. This requires special high standard for the electrical system in the mining industry. As a professional transformer supplier, CEEG are always wanting to provide our mining customers with a powerful anti-explosive transformer system to ensure their operational safety and efficiency. And the CEEG EPT is the exact product our clients want. CEEG has one of the world's largest production bases of EPT mining transformer, 17,000 square meters specialized for EPT. We take safety as our top priority. We are keeping 0 accident frequency rates since setup. The 1+3 Safety Supervision System. Our core adopts 3-dimensional clamping method. Ensure the core in any case. No transverse and longitudinal displacement. Guarantee the quality of the product. We are using circular section core. Reduce the length and height of transformer. The core adopted high permeability alloy silicon steel sheet and 45-degree sloping seam and multi-stage overlapping and no punching. Pulling plate and drawstring fastening structure, which effectively reduce the no-load loss. The silicon steel sheet shear adopt full automatic line to reduce the metal damage ratio. Winding characteristics. The winding adopt oblong design, can effective increase volume utilization ratio of enclosure. The core use high and low voltage section simultaneous making process to reduce damage probability and ensure concentricity. We use world-class VPI equipment, Heydrich. To achieve H-class insulation, reduce the bubble level to 0, and promote mechanical strength and humidity resistance level of core. The Nomex T410 insulation system is adopted between the coils and layer insulation, which effectively protect coil's electrical performance. Enclosure design. Anti-explosion. Corrugated pipe using one-step hydroform technology to increase the security. The large capacity transformers using shaped bellows. adding flange immediate casing. The internal using multi-channel stiffeners to strengthen the overall strength of the bellows. When lifting, it could reduce the effect on the box along the flange to ensure long-term use after the explosion clearance. Heat dissipation. Bellows expand in area equivalent to the linear plane area 3 to 5 times. We redesign the anti-explosive enclosure with 10 to 20% heat dissipation compared with our competitors. We also adopt three-dimensional paramedic design system to analyze the force, electromagnetic field, and thermal field in key position to ensure the product's stability and reliability. We test every EPT enclosure by 1 megapascal water pressure, according to the regulations of the international standard after welding was finished. The interface clearance should be below 0.5 millimeters, surface roughness at 6.3 nanometers. The deformation and stress distribution graph may help us to understand the detail and improve the stability and anti-explosive safety for the customer. Nomex Insulation System, authorized and technical support by DuPont. 1. This H-class insulation system can be operated under 180 degrees centigrade working condition with no concern. 2. The Nomex means no toxic reaction to the human and animal. Limited oxygen index is less than 20.8% under the temperature of 220 degrees centigrade, so it doesn't support combustion. The switcher system can be an optional matching with EPT to form as EPT substation. This system contains 2 switch parts. 1. The PBG high voltage switch. This PBG can provide overload, short circuit, overvoltage, undervoltage, overvoltage absorption, over temperature, phase, wind power gas lockout protection for the EPT. Imported PLC, GOT, AD as the control, display, stable, secure, high reliability. The use of independent design 3-chamber that line the cavity, the isolation chamber, the main chamber are independent with easy maintenance. The current setting is stepping 1 amp with high precision. Failure memory function will help the customer to do the maintenance. 2. BBD low voltage protection case for KBSG. Matching with the high voltage switch, overload, short circuit, overvoltage, undervoltage, overvoltage absorption, over temperature, phase, wind power gas lockout protection. The current setting is stepping 1 amp, high precision. Imported PLC, GOT, AD as the control, display, stable, secure, and high reliability. We believe this CEEG EPT system, which occupied 70% market share in the mining industry, will help our customer to ensure high efficiency and safety of power in their mining project. And this is our design philosophy for the last 24 years.